Happy Father's Day to you. Happy Father's Day to you. Happy Father's Day, Happy Father's Day, Happy Father's Day to you.
The bell.
Ring the bell. Happy Father's Day, Papa.
Happy Father's Day. Thank you. Happy Father's Day, everyone.
Hello, everybody. Again. Jesus. Hello, everybody. First of all, I would like to say Happy Father's Day to all the father out there. Happy Father's Day. And today, I'm gonna do the vlog for a Father's Day. I'm gonna I don't know where I'm going. I'm trying to find somewhere to buy a cake. So I'm gonna go to the cake area and I'm gonna buy a Brian's cake for Father's Day. And you guys come along with me. Alright, here is Hannah Grace's Father's Day card for her father. I would like to read it. Happy Father's Day, Papa. We love you. Thank you for all you did for me. Love you and love you again. We love you. Happy Father's Day. That's very sweet of her. And of course, hers are Father's Day celebration today. Our mentor, my best friend, and my love of my life. Say hello.
Hello. Happy Father's Day to everybody out there.
Yeah.
Yes.
That's Sheila. She's still ready to mingle. Liam.
Hi.
Hi. Say hi.
Hi.
Yay.
That's Sheila's
Niece.
nephew.
Oh, nephew, I meant, sorry.
Niece.
Say hi. Hi, bye.
Bye-bye.
Bye.
Bye.
Okay. My kids, Justice, Nanay, and where's my love? Oops. Of course, my loved ones. Liberty. Alright guys, we keep heading right to the where the cake area is. Of course, that's our car here for sale. Anyone who wants to buy it, just contact us. We're selling it. And then this is the road we're gonna walk. Oh, I need to step up. Oops. Water everywhere. Water everywhere. Water everywhere. That's the chicken store, but it's closed today. Maybe they're celebrating Father's Day. And then wait. Oh, okay. We keep walking and walking down the sea. There's still always have a lot of water over here, so I need to be careful then, unless I'm gonna wet them. Oh, that's Kitty. Oh, poor Kitty. Everybody's in a hurry for something. Oh, always water. Water is everywhere. I think all people have been celebrating a Father's Day. Some of them, they went to the mall. Oops. As I said, we need to walk. I need to walk slowly because there's a lot of water. Where did I see Justice before? Over there, right? Okay, there's a lot of car here right now. That's a car. And then we almost there at the wheat market. Just a little market. I know you always say that every day. Because Brian did vlog all the time down there. Need to be here and here for water. And then this is the car over here. Remember where the red car is before? Right now it's already gone. They turned it up. I don't know where they go, but they're gone now. There's no red car now. So we keep moving, we keep walking. Keep walking, keep walking. Keep and keep walking. That's right. That's the store over here. It's I forgot. GRV. Sorry, store. That's jeepney. Green jeepney that goes to Marisol. That's Bibian Food House. That's what I always buy my food every day. Every morning I walk and goes to the store. I always drop there and buy something to eat then. And then this banana over here. It's always here like afternoon then. Every night. Every single night they're always here. And it's a kids things, toys. Yeah, it's kind of market. Fish, hot dogs, everything there. A lot of them there's kind of closed today. Because it's Sunday and also it's Father Day. Even though Sisig is not there. Sisig is not today. Tonight. Sisig girl is not there tonight. Oh, that's a smoked fish. That was Liberty favorite then. I gotta buy that later on. Oh. Alright, we are here at MacArthur Highway, which is that's very busy place. This is the one I always walk every single day. Every day, 7 days a week. Now we're going to head back to a BPI. We gotta rob some money. Joke. We need to get some money. Need to get some money to buy a cake for my asawa. There's the BPI there. We gotta go there. See how traffic is at. Always rush hour. Always like this. Every day. So we gotta go there. Yeah, this is BPI Bank. This is nice look where I always buy my clothes. That's a good store. It's too big. Price is reasonable. Like that. That's Korean unlimited samgyeopsal Korean restaurant. I like Korean food. Kind of spicy, but I love it. Yeah. See, that's traffic is everywhere. Kind of 5 o'clock, always been traffic. There's a puppy there. Cute, huh? Now we keep moving. We keep walking, we keep walking, goes to Genra. It's red ribbon. There's one red ribbon over there in Genra. It's outside. That's why I'm going to buy my cake. Look at that. Let's go. Oops, that's welcomes. Yeah. That is a fishball. Street vendors here. That is a fishball, quail egg, hot dogs, and everything. This is what's supposed to be the right one, where you're going to drop and in. But I don't know why people don't follow that. Okay, we kept talking. This is Sugo. Then traffic enforcers was over there in case there's a lot of traffic and everything. I think traffic enforcers was in charge over this intersection down here. For some reason, sometimes it's just so traffic. This time it will not really because it's Sunday. But less than that, they always have traffic over here. So they always need to have traffic enforcers to do to maintain the traffic. I mean, that's goes to terminal over here. Yes, this road it goes. Wait a minute, I will show you that. Yeah, this road it goes to terminal down there, right? And then we gotta walk. We gotta walk. We need to make faster. Thank you. We're almost there. We're almost there at Jumbo General. That's a gasoline station. You see how neat is the flag is. There's a lot of flag there. Yep. Yeah, there you see. I can see the Jumbo General now. Of course, I see Jollibee too. Right, we are here at Red. See that? Red Prep. Now this is the cake we're going to use. Tuesday. That's chocolate dedication cake. There's chocolate mousses, chocolate chocomosi, and chocolate indulgence. I don't know how to read it. That's rainbow dedication cake. It's chocolate dedication cake, mocha dedication, mocha rose, obi, triple rose. There is so many. That's one of my favorite then. A black forest. It's a good cake. It's the same over here. Same thing. It's a big one. Ah, that's a small one. But I like nice cake. And delicious. So there's a bit black forest. It's a small one, but it's cute. I think I'm gonna hit it. I'm not sure. I will think about it. Alright, we just back to the store right now. We're just done buying Father's Day cake from my, here he is, Asawa. And right now we just start cooking. If you see, Sheila was cooking chicken for my Asawa. And then that's his French fries, of course. That's my Liberty. Liam and Ichi was watching, what's that, cartoons, and Liam is in charge. Liam, hi. Say hi. Hi. Oh my, you, oh. You wanna be a model? Yes. We're just waiting for our food to finish. Then we're gonna have dinner soon. And we're gonna open his Father's Day cake. So stay tuned. That's for my love of my life treat of the day. Because he's very special. So we have very special fried chicken. French fries. And of course,
the salt is wet, and yes, we did put rice in it.
Salt.
But the salt is still wet for some reason. I'm not putting that much salt on it.
Yeah, there's something wrong with the salt.
It's wet.
It's wet. Alright, this is Brian Father's Day cake. It's called the Black Forest. We gotta try it, how good it is. I think it looks good, but that's the one I choose then. You like Papa's cake?
Cherry.
That's your favorite?
Oh, cherry.
Okay, we gotta sing for Papa, okay?
Happy birthday.
Happy Father's Day to you. Happy Father's Day to you. Happy Father's Day, Happy Father's Day, Happy Father's Day to you.
Bell.
Ring the bell. Happy Father's Day, Papa.
Happy Father's Day. Thank you. Happy Father's Day, everyone.
Alright guys, I'm gonna wrap this one out. Today's been a good day. Kind of raining a little bit, but it's just a very good day too. Also we have 2 subscribers subscribers coming by, say hello. And I think that's about it. That's about it. Till next time. If you haven't subscribed to his channel yet, please subscribe. Give him thumbs up. Give him thumbs down. Choice is always yours. Till next Till next time. Bye-bye.